You're going to want to subscribe, and you're going to want to subscribe, blah, blah, blah. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sometimes I do surprise uploads, so you're going to want to subscribe. You're going to want to do it now, hit the bell, do all that. Just subscribe. I have a super fabulous wig for you today. Today I have Motown Tress, which is also Bishi, just FYI. This is Let's Lace Wig, deep part lace, 23 inches long, and this is Kim. And I have Kim in the color 4. I almost never get just like regular natural colors, so this is definitely different for me. It's a 6-inch deep lace parting. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees. She comes in a lot of colors. This is one I wanted for a long time, and I hesitated because I couldn't get a read on what she would really look like. I scooped her up from Blackhairspray, and this is one of the first times I've ever ordered from them. It was a good experience, and I got her for $24.99. And the reason I decided to scoop her up was actually I was doing a little research in my local beauty supply store, and sometimes I will go to the local beauty supply store and just check out some wigs so I can see them in person. I don't often buy them from the local beauty supply store because I feel like the prices be crazy. They're crazy. When I saw her in store, I was like, whoa, I need her. So I scooped her up, and this is her. She is a light yaki texture, sort of that beachy wave. I think she's super pretty. There's the parting space on her. Tiny little humpiness in the back, which I'll get rid of. She was a lace front wig. This is her cap construction. She's got 2 combs right in the front near the part. She has the adjustable straps in the back. I can't remember if Motown Tress were bigger. I feel like they're smaller wig caps, so I'm not going to adjust her. And I'm also not going to brush her out. Luster's gorgeous. I don't think she even needs dry shampoo. She just looks like healthy hair. She is sort of that yaki texture that has like the, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, like the crinkles in it. Some people don't like that. I don't mind it. So let's get her on and see what we got going on. I put my wigs on back to front, so let's do it. Wig cap is big. I got to adjust her. I can't even play games, even with the combs. I also feel like I didn't cut far back on the lace. I'm going to cut that back a little bit before I put her on. Okay, I adjusted the wig cap, but it's still, all right, it's okay now. It does feel a little bit big yet. Let's see what we are working with. Yeah, she's a little bit, I think that's the tag. Yep. Okay, yeah. I did have to adjust her again. Oh, I do love her already. I can tell you that. The wig cap's big, which I'm surprised because I had a wig from, that feels like the tag. What is, oh, because I have the wig cap so tight, there's a little weird weft. It's really on the, like, the very base, so that's fine. Yeah, she's feeling comfortable. Let me go and set her down, and I'm liking her. And then see what I can do with her. So it's not that it took me a long time to do. I got rid of most of the humpage, just a tiny bit left, but it's not super bad actually if you just kind of do that. I love the length. I love the curl pattern. I just love this wig and it feels amazing. It could probably benefit from a little bit of leave out, but I don't think it's necessary. This is all the hair to the front. Okay, so it's about 20 inches. Let's look at her from the back. I'm so excited for her. Ooh. Yeah, I really love this. Let's look at the movement. Yeah, she's fairly like light hair for being so long, so I feel like this would be good spring. Maybe not like the hottest summer day, but I think if you wore her like sort of on the side here, she'd be fine. Yeah, I'm really loving this one. So this is one that I definitely recommend. You probably see it sooner if you follow me on Instagram, which is Tia Maria Everyday. I put little videos up on there, and yeah, I think that she's really pretty. I'm excited to wear her. I do like her in this number 4 color, which I wasn't sure I would because I don't normally like number 4. Wig cap is a little bit big, so this would be big head friendly. And yeah, there you go. This is my review of Kim. Do you have Kim? Do you have another color? Would you suggest her? Is there any other Motown Tress wig that you want me to look at or review, or any wig in general? If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.